What is a black hole? A black hole is a region of spacetime from which nothing, not even light, can escape. It is the result of the warping of spacetime by a very massive object, such as a star. Black holes can be classified into three types. Number 1. Stellar black holes. These are the most common type of black hole and are formed when a massive star collapses at the end of its life. They can have masses ranging from about 5 to 20 times the mass of the Sun and are typically a few miles in diameter. Number 2. Immediate mass black holes. These black holes could have masses ranging from the size of a single atom to as large as a mountain, and they may be a source of dark matter in the universe. Number 3. Supermassive black holes. These are the largest type of black holes and have masses that range from a few 100,000 to billions of times the mass of the Sun. They are believed to be at the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. In addition to these three types, there is also a theoretical class of black holes called primordial black holes, which are thought to have formed shortly after the Big Bang. Black holes are some of the most extreme objects in the universe and are characterized by their extremely high density and gravitational pull. They are formed when a massive object, such as a star, collapses under its own weight. The collapse is so intense that the object's gravity becomes so strong that it warps spacetime, forming a point of no return known as the event horizon. Inside the event horizon, the gravitational forces are so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. As a result, black holes are invisible, since we can't see anything that doesn't give off light. However, we can detect the presence of a black hole through its effects on other objects around it. For example, a black hole can pull in nearby stars or gas, which can create a disk of material around the black hole that is heated to extremely high temperatures and emits intense radiation. Scientists are still trying to understand more about black holes and how they fit into our understanding of the universe. There are many mysteries surrounding these objects, and research into black holes continues to be an active area of study in astrophysics and cosmology. Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We upload new content every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.